So today we're going to show you how to use this alarm clock. It's a cute little alarm clock with a digital face, and then it looks like wood. So it's kind of like this wood veneer on top on all sides. And then this display kind of just comes through the wood, so it's pretty cute. On the back, you're going to see that it's a bunch of settings. So the first thing you're going to notice is the time. This is alarm 1, alarm 2, and volume. Additionally, this is a adjustment on brightness. And then you could set your alarm 1 if you want it Saturday to Sunday, Monday to Friday, or Monday to Sunday. Alarm 2 the same way. And then this is a pull tab to activate the backup battery from memory. However, this one has to be plugged in all the time. It's not battery. So take a look at the front. If I were to adjust the dimness, you'd see level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that adjusts how bright or how dim this alarm clock gets. If I play with volume, I can adjust the sound of the alarm clock, the volume level. So there's 5 volume settings. To set the time, you press and hold time for 3 seconds. And then you use the scroll wheel to adjust the year. And then you hit time again to confirm. Then it jumps into the time. Scroll wheel again to adjust it, and you hit time to confirm. Same thing. And that's how you adjust the time. So alarm, same thing. You can press and hold alarm for 3 seconds. And then you could adjust each alarm. That's alarm 1. You could do alarm 2 the same way. And then that's it. And then you just enjoy your alarm clock. And then you could press alarm in once to turn it on, and alarm off once to turn off. And there you go. And then it's a beautiful little alarm clock. I really like the style of this, so if you haven't checked it out, highly recommend ordering one and trying it for yourself.